Do your shingles look like this?
Or do they look like this?
I'm Jimmy with Able Roof in Columbus, Ohio.
And I'm Chris Smith with Able Roofs of Columbus, Ohio.
We're gonna talk to you a little bit about damaged shingles, weather-worn shingles, and what to do about them.
Are you missing shingles?
Do your shingles look terrible? Are they cracked? Are they damaged?
Do you have a leak coming inside your home?
Do you have algae and dark spots all over your roof?
Do you have sagging or an uneven roof? The first signs you're gonna notice when your roof is time to be replaced is the granule loss. And as we saw on those shingles before, they were ripped, there was a lot of granule loss. The granules serve a very important purpose on the shingle. They reflect the sunlight off the house. So when the granules start to dissipate, that shingle is exposed to the sunlight and those asphalt mats start to break down. That's when you'll know it's time to put a new roof on.
The second thing you might notice about your shingles is that they're lifting or blistering, or that if you have nail pops all over your roof, in other words, shingles that are just bubbling up off the roofs. This can be a sign of an old, worn, aged out roof.
Another thing is the algae. When the algae starts to burrow underneath the shingle, it can break that seal. So the interesting thing is water travels the path of least resistance. So shingles aren't waterproof. They're made to wick the water to the gutter line. So when we get surface algae on top of the shingle, not as so much of a concern, but when it does start to burrow underneath the shingle, it will break that seal, which ultimately results in a leak.
So why would you want Able Roof to come out and take a look at your roof? If for no other reason, just to make sure your roof is in decent shape. We're gonna tell you what shape your roof is in. We're gonna provide you with pictures of your roof. If we don't believe that your roof is in need of replacement, we're gonna tell you that, but we're also gonna show you every minute detail that's going on.
Here in Central Ohio, we have a lot of seasonality. You have a lot of hot and you have a lot of cold months. So there's a constant amount of expansion and contraction that goes on the roof, whether it's asphalt shingle, whether it's a metal roof. Believe it or not, they all expand and contract. Once your roof gets to that 15 to 20 year mark,
it's a good idea to have us come check your roof to make sure you're not experiencing extreme granular loss, cracked shingles, heat damage. If you're laying in bed at night and you hear a crazy storm and you come out in the morning and look at your roof and see wind damaged shingles, missing shingles, that's a great time to call Able Roof to have us come out and inspect.
We offer free inspections, guys, year round. This isn't a seasonal job. We're here to service you in the warmest of months and the coldest times of the year.
So why choose Able Roof? Well, we've been in business in Central Ohio for over 44 years and have over 500,000 satisfied customers.
Guys, we offer a lot of options. We offer a system that's right for you. We're not here to just push one system in front of you. We want to find out what your goals are and what your needs are. We can help you from a residential to a commercial level. There is no job, again, that is too small, and there's no job too big.
All of our roofing systems feature Owens Corning asphalt shingles, the world's largest supplier of asphalt shingles. We also have options on how you can pay for your roofing system. You know, a lot of people worry about how much is this gonna cost. Some people have an idea, some people don't. The good thing is that we offer several different financing options to put you in a comfortable monthly payment to make your roof not a financial burden.
We get it. It's not exciting putting a roof on, but it protects a lot of people's biggest investment. Be careful who you trust. There's a lot of suspects out here. So inspect what you expect, because there are a list of suspects. We've been servicing this community since 1981. When you treat people right, give them a fair price, a quality product, and a warranty, it allows our company to expand further than we ever imagined.
So if you think you need a new roof, if you think you have roof damage, or if you just want to change the color of your shingles, call Jimmy or Chris at 614-444-ROOF.